Good morning, students. Let's continue with the part 2 of When People Rebel. A mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. We know that struggles between the rulers and the people who are being ruled, it is not unusual, means it is common. But there are sometimes struggles which become widespread or which become popular resistance, so that the power or the ruler has to break down, or the ruler has to step down as the king. There was a very large number of people, means very large number of people or many people, they have started to think or they have started to believe that they have a common enemy, or they were having a common enemy between them, and they must rise up, or they must revoke against such enemy, or they have to defeat such enemy. Okay, such kind of situation, such kind of situation which just discussed over the 3 points, it started to develop or started to take place in the northern part of India during the year of 1857. Okay, after many years of conquest and administration, means after many years of rule over the Indian land, the English or the British East India Company, they has to face or they started facing massive rebellion or massive opposition, which started in May 1857, and it threatens, or the company started to think that their presence in India is in danger. Okay, here you can see the various images of the rebel or the rebellion of the revolt during the 1857. Now let's go from Meerut to Delhi during the 1857 era. Okay, be with me. On March 29th, 1857, there was a young soldier who was named as Mangal Pandey. You have also seen the movie of Amir Khan, in which he was act as Mangal Pandey. The Mangal Pandey was hanged to death because he attacked his senior officials in Barakpur. After a few days of hanging of Mangal Pandey, means when Mangal Pandey hanged, after the death of him, means after a few days, there were some soldiers or the group of soldiers of that regiment at Meerut. They refused or they denied to do army drill or the army duty, because they were supposed to use the new cartridge which we have discussed in part 1. This cartridge or the Enfield rifle was made from the fat or the skin of animals. There was 85 soldiers. They were dismissed from the service, and they were sentenced for, or they were sent to jail for 10 years because they haven't obeyed or they were disobeying from their officials or officers. The response of other Indian soldiers were different. Means, as some soldiers denied to use or denied to join the army drill, whereas some other soldiers, they were having different mindset. As on 10th May 1857, the soldiers marched or walked towards the jail of Meerut, and they have released the all 85 imprisoned soldiers. Last point, they had attacked and killed many British officials, and those Indian soldiers, they have captured or they have taken control over the guns and ammunitions, and also they have set the buildings on the fire, and they have declared war against the British. So this was the route which the soldiers have taken when they started from Meerut towards Delhi. They have started from Meerut Victoria Park on May 10, 1857, and from there there were many cities like Barnawa, Bhamori, Panchil, Jani Buzurg, Baleni, Bijrol, Tiri, Dola, Katha, Bagpat, Khekera, Loni, Khajuri Khas, and finally on 11th May 1857, morning 7 a.m., they were able to reach Red Fort, which is situated in Delhi. Okay, next point. Sorry, the next slide. We are continuing from Meerut to Delhi. The soldiers of Meerut, means the soldiers who were belonging to Meerut, they rode or they continued their journey whole night of 10th May, and they have reached Delhi next early morning. The regiment or the group of soldiers who were stationed or who were present at Delhi, they also joined or they had also started the rebellion, or they had also started to oppose. There were many British officers in Delhi also who were killed, and arms and ammunition were seized by the Indian soldiers, and the rest of the buildings was set to fire. There were many soldiers who gathered around the nearby area of Red Fort where Badshah Bahadur Shah Zafar lived. They here means soldiers demand or they want to meet Bahadur Shah Zafar, and they want Badshah to be as their leader, and Badshah have to agree on this demand of the soldiers. And after that, Badshah here means Bahadur Shah Zafar, he has wrote letters to all the chiefs and many rulers in the country, as he want everybody to come forward and organize a meeting so that they could fight British in a better way. The step or these steps which was taken by Badshah has many great effect or implications. The Mughal dynasty had a rule, as the Mughal dynasty was having rule or they have ruled over the very large part of the Indian country, and there were many small rulers who were controlled by who were controlling different territories on behalf of Mughal rulers, and due to the threat of expansion of British rule, many of those small rulers thought that they will able to rule their own territory once more if they were able to defeat Britishers. Okay. Next point, the British did not expected that this thing or this revolt will happen, as they thought that this is very small kind of disturbance which was caused by the issue of Carthage, and this issue will settle down soon. But this thing did not happen. But Bahadur Shah Zafar, as he joined hand with other rebellions, it changed the situation all over. Now, how did the rebellions spread? Okay, be with me. We are in 1857. We are having the time travel. Okay, regiments after regiment means there were many regiments which joined hand together from they were belonging to Delhi, Kanpur, and Lucknow. After them, people of means after the regiment or after the group of soldiers, there were people who belonged to various towns and villages. They also started to rebel. Rebel means Gadar, and rallied around local leaders, zamindars and chiefs who were prepared to establish their authority. Means After the soldiers, there were many people who were living in towns, villages, and people like zamindars, etc. They also started to mix up, and they were ready to fight with British. Nana Sahib, he was the adopted son of Peshwa Bazi Rao, who lived near Kanpur. He gathered small forces. He gathered armed forces or the army and expelled the British garrison from the city. They were able to move out the British garrison from the city, and he declared himself Peshwa or the king, and also declared that he was the governor of that area under the emperor, or he was working under the emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar. Now, if we come to Lucknow, there was a person known as Birjis Qadar. He was the son of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah. He proclaimed or he declared himself as a new Nawab. His mother, means Birjis Qadar mother, Begum Hazrat Mahal, she also took an active part, or she was an active participant in organizing the uprising. Means she was the active participant, or the main, also one of the reason behind how did the revolt seen the uprising, or how did the revolt uprised. If we come to Jhansi, then Rani Lakshmi Bai has joined hand with rebel soldiers. Means Rani Lakshmi Bai's part was also very important during the revolt of 1857. Here on your screen you can see the image of the revolt between Britishers and the local people, or the kind of war you can say. The British were greatly outnumbered. Means due to this, the British were outnumbered, or they were not able to fight the rebel forces, as they were getting defeat in many battles. This shows that, or this convinced the people that the rule of British has collapsed or taken down, and they have joined the hand with rebellion. There were many new leaders came up. For example, Ahmadullah Shah, he was a Maulvi from Faizabad. He is told that the rule of British will come to an end, and soon he came to Lucknow to fight British. If we go to Delhi now, there was a large number of religious warriors, or who belonged to various different regions. They came together ahead of their religion, so that they could wipe out these white people from their country. Now, if we go to Bihar in the east, there was an old zamindar known as Kunwar Singh, who has joined hand with, or who has also taken part in this revolt, and he has battled with the help of rebel soldiers against the British for many times. And due to the success of this revolt, there were many leaders who belong to various different parts of the country joined in the fight, or they also started to fight or rebel against the Britishers. Suppression of the revolt means, how did the revolt settle down? The serious nature of the revolt came as a shock to the Britishers. Means the nature of the revolt, it gave shock to Britishers, as they were not thinking that the revolt will go to this much bigger level. Their effort to regain control over their territories means, as they want their territory back, it was led by the commanders such as Henry Havelock, James Outram, Colin Campbell, Hugh Rose, and John Lawrence. means there were some good commanders from the British side, as British want to gain control over their lost area. They inflicted great cruelties, means these commanders they have shown very bad cruelties to the ordinary people of village and towns. There were people public hanging, which means the culprit was to be hanged in the presence of many people. Execution and massacre. It was being restored, or these things were happening again. By the end of 1857, the company or the British East India Company, it started to regain or started to taking back its lost territories by 1858 the revolt was crushed, or it was end. Delhi, which was the nerve center of the revolt, or which was the main center of the revolt, was recaptured by Britishers again. Bahadur Shah Zafar, he was exiled, or he was sent to Rangoon, where he died in 1862, and his sons were shot in cold blood at the Kabuli gate, which was then known as the Khuni Darwaza. The citizens of Delhi, they were looted by the Britishers and massacred at a large number. The recapture of Delhi did not mean that the means even though the Britishers were able to recapture Delhi, it does not mean that the rebellion were crushed or the rebellion died after that. People continued to resist and battle the British. Means after 1857 revolt was end. People continued to revolt or fight against the British, and Britishers have to fight for 2 more years after the end of 1857 revolt, so that they could able to suppress, or they could able to press the massive forces of rebellion down, or they could take the rebellion forces under their control. Lucknow was taken back in March 1858, and Rani Lakshmibai was defeated and killed in June 1858. Tatya Tope, he was able to escape in the jungles of central India, and he continued to fight the guerrilla war with the support of many tribals and peasants leaders, but he was captured by the British and killed in April 1859. Just as victorious against British had earlier encouraged rebellion, means during the 1857 war, the victory against the British, it encouraged the many rebellion. The defeat of the forces encouraged desertions. The British also tried their best to win back, as the British were winning their territories back. So they had also started to win back the loyalty or the belief of the people, as they had announced many kind of rewards. For example, for loyal landholders who did not take part in the revolt of 1857, they were allowed to continue to enjoy, or they were allowed to continue to enjoy their traditional rights, or the rights which they were enjoying before over the lands. Fifth point, those who had rebelled were told that, means those persons who have rebelled, they were given one more chance, that if they submit, or if they come back to the British rule, and if they have not killed any white people, they would remain safe. Means the Britishers were guaranteed that they the person would remain safe, and their rights and claims will continue as it was before, and it was not be annexed in the British rule. Still, there were many soldiers, rebels, and Nawabs. After this scheme, they were hanged. So, here comes the end of part second. In part 3, we will study the various results of revolt and why the revolt failed. Thank you.